Welcome to Review Source. Clear your path with ease this winter. The best snow shovel for your car ensures fast, safe snow removal wherever you go. Compact, durable, and easy to store, it's the perfect companion to keep your vehicle ready for any snowy situation. After watching, check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Greenworks ADV 12-inch Snow Shovel. For efficient, cordless snow removal, the Greenworks ADV 12-inch cordless brushless snow shovel is a winter essential. Built for power and portability, it clears snow quickly without the noise, fumes, or upkeep of gas models. With a 12-inch clearing width, it's ideal for clearing around vehicles, sidewalks, or driveways. The ADV lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting performance, while the brushless motor boosts efficiency and durability. A 2.0 Ah battery and 30-minute rapid charger are included, minimizing downtime during heavy snowfall. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it reduces strain on your arms and back. Though not self-propelled, it allows precise control over snow depth and direction, perfect for smaller areas. Number 2. Greenworks ADV 20-inch Snow Shovel. The Greenworks ADV 20-inch cordless brushless snowblower takes clearing capacity up a notch. With a 20-inch path, it quickly removes snow from driveways, sidewalks, and parking areas with ease. Powered by the same ADV lithium system, this model delivers gas-like power without the emissions, noise, or maintenance. Its 4.0 Ah battery offers extended runtime, while the rapid charger gets you back to work in under an hour. The brushless motor provides dependable torque and longevity. Even without self-propulsion, its balanced, lightweight design makes maneuvering easy and reduces fatigue. Convenient features like the push-button start, ergonomic handle, and simple chute control make operation effortless, even in freezing conditions. The durable build and sleek green styling reflect Greenworks' reliable engineering. Number 3. Greenworks ADV 22-inch Snowblower. Need even more power? The Greenworks ADV 22-inch cordless brushless snowblower delivers serious strength with its 4.0 Ah battery system, providing longer runtime and strong torque for thicker snow. The 22-inch clearing width cuts through heavy accumulation fast, while the brushless motor enhances efficiency, durability, and quiet performance. The included rapid charger tops off the battery in under an hour, so you're ready for back-to-back snowfalls. Lightweight yet powerful, it's easy to guide, even without self-propulsion. The adjustable chute lets you control snow direction, and quiet operation means early morning use won't wake the neighborhood. With its clean black and green design, the 22 model represents Greenworks' eco-conscious innovation, strong, reliable, and emission-free. If you need professional-grade results in a portable, easy-handling package, Number 4. Greenworks ADV 24-inch 2-stage snowblower. For maximum clearing power, the Greenworks ADV 24-inch cordless brushless 2-stage snowblower is the ultimate winter workhorse. This self-propelled model includes two 4.0 Ah batteries and a dual-port turbocharger, ensuring continuous performance with minimal downtime. Its 24-inch path handles deep, compacted snow easily, making it ideal for long driveways, parking areas, and frequent heavy storms. The brushless motor delivers high torque and efficiency, ensuring reliable operation even in severe conditions. The self-propelled drive minimizes effort, while the ergonomic handle and adjustable chute provide comfortable, precise control. Despite its power, it runs quietly and requires no gas, oil, or tune-ups. Just push a button and go. Number 5. WORX Nitro 40V 12-inch Snow Shovel. For smaller spaces and quick cleanups, the WORX Nitro 40V 12-inch cordless snow thrower offers a perfect balance of power and portability. It runs on a 40V lithium-ion battery system and includes two 4.0 AH batteries plus a charger, giving you ample power for multiple sessions on a single charge. The 12-inch clearing width is ideal for cars, short driveways, and sidewalks. The efficient electric motor delivers consistent performance while staying quiet and emission-free. Lightweight and easy to control, the ergonomic handle reduces strain during use, even in cold, heavy snow. The sleek, durable design ensures reliable operation, and the dual battery setup extends runtime compared to similar compact models. Its small size makes it easy to store in your trunk, garage, or even in your car for emergencies. Final thoughts. Each of these snow shovels blends power, convenience, and eco-friendly design to make winter maintenance simple and efficient. Greenworks 12-inch, lightweight and compact for fast car area cleanups. Greenworks 20-inch, ideal for wider driveways and walkways. Greenworks 22, balanced strength from moderate to heavy snow. Greenworks 24, heavy-duty self-propelled clearing for serious snowfalls. WORX Nitro 4V, compact, portable, and perfect for quick emergency use. From compact snow shovels to powerful two-stage machines, Greenworks and WORX offer reliable, battery-powered solutions that ensure clean, safe, and eco-friendly snow removal every time. Thanks for watching Review Source, your guide to smarter, more efficient tools for every season.